Hey friends, my name is Sanjay, and I'll tell you today. I'll tell you how to create more than one developer orgs on Salesforce with your single email account. So this is not very secret. I mean, this is not a secret, but surely some of you, I mean, some of us sometimes don't know. So that's why I thought that I should create a video on this. Okay, so see, I already have around three orgs uh, with my registered with my single email address. So now I will create another one. So I just googled how to. I just googled this one as developer org Salesforce. So when I Google this, you will get this link here for creating your org, free org. You can click on try for free, and then this page, it gives you a form to fill where you have to fill your username, your first name and last name. You can fill any job title, any company name, it doesn't matter. And in this email, suppose my email is this one. Okay, this is my original email, and I already have orgs registered on this original email. So what I can do is I can uh, do this plus one or plus two, two, like this. So I already have three orgs. So to create another one, I can do something like this: Sanjay 91422 plus 4. Okay, and it will not complain. Okay, okay. So almost there. Check your email. So I will get an email here. It might take a minute. And by the way, let us again go to the page. Yeah, this one. So this is the article which talks about sign up for Salesforce developer org. Here there is a note here. The developer edition data storage maximum is 5 MB. So this is the maximum data storage you get with your free developer org. On what For what purpose this storage capacity gets used? It gets used for creating your org data. For example, if you have customers, then customer accounts data. If you have contacts, then you contacts data. If you are running a service, customer service, then Service Cloud will provide you various objects. For example, cases objects where the customer registers their issues on different topics. Okay. Okay. So let us check the email. Okay. So I got the email now, and you are getting this link to reset your password. And below this, here is the URL of your org, and you are also getting a unique username. This so the username gets created using the initials of your email address, right? Because I typed this Sanjay91422 plus 4, so that is the initial of the username, and then after that it is attaching some random this string and at the rate agentforce.com. And when you reset your password, and once you get your password and then you log in into the org, then you can change this username as well. It gives you the option to change your username. Okay, so I can set okay any password here. All right, in which city you were born. Suppose I tell them Monday. Okay, so my password is set and now I am already logged in. So if you want to change your username, then you can go to you can go to your this profile settings. Okay, and here it is giving you information here. But if you click on advanced user settings, then you get the edit button here, and here you can change your username as well. Okay, and also different options here along with your username. You can update many informations here. Okay, when you save it here, it will get saved. So that is how you can also change your username. So the video title was that how we can create more than one ops. So I can show you that I already have three emails. So this one was different. So I created this one using +2. And this one it was created using, okay, so +2 is same. And this one simple Sanjay line. So you can create more than one developer ops. Okay, each one will have 5 MB storage capacity. So many times when we work on our projects in industry, we might require more than one org. So I hope you get what you needed. And if you have any questions, then please put up them in the comment box. I will try to answer. I will definitely answer your questions if you just post it in the comment section. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.